guys, as you see, look, this is why you have to clean the rice off. You see all of that? That's what was in the bag. So you have to clean the rice before you do anything with it. Even when you're talking about putting it in your hair, you have to clean this rice. So I just want you guys to see that I'm actually cleaning it. So when you get it and it's dry, it is cleaned already. That's what I'm doing now. So I have put all of the ingredients in, and I'm just mixing it now. Once you add the water to this, everything that I have will start coming off into the water. Everything that's mixed in here will start coming off into the water. Now, because I am shipping this in different quantities, this is actually very, very potent. So you're not even gonna probably even need this much. You're just gonna need a very little bit, so it is gonna last a very, very long time. You'll see it when you get it and you smell it, you're gonna say, woo! But it works. It's the bomb.